At mas lalo pa silang ma-energize to know that this Sunday, we will be having our Sunday celebration at PICC 403. Time slots are at 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m.
Siyempre para sa Pisol Training, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating Pisol Training at 8:15 a.m., 11:45 a.m., and 4:45 p.m. Kaya naman sa mga kawalsas na natin nagtitraining, huwag niyong mamimiss sa mga lessons niyo dahil for sure, marami kayong matututunan dito. Ngayon naman, pwede ko ba makita ang kamay ng mga magagandang kababaihan dito ngayon? Wow, ang dami. Mas lalo kayong gaganda dahil this coming August 23, 24, and 25, we will be having our Women's Encounter at the PBS 5th floor. Kaya naman sa mga cell leaders na natin dito, why don't you register your delegates as soon as possible?
Alam mo, Mel, kung yung mga kababaihan namin dito sa Wildsons ay naggagandahan, nasaan yung mga kalalakihan dyan? Yun, alam mo, yung mga kalalakihan natin dito ay mga pogi. Sila yung may presence of God inside at mas popogi pa yung mga yan. This August 30, 31, and September 1 dahil magkakaroon kami ng exclusive Men's Encounter at PBS.
Yes, and this coming another great event is the upcoming regional conference on September 7, and that will be held at the Cuneta Astrodome. Registration fee will be 150. For more information, just contact your cell leader or your net leader.
Alam mo, Mel, marami silang matututunan dyan sa regional conference. Marami tayong matututunan dyan. And I know that every one of us here are excited para sa matututunan natin this afternoon. Kaya naman, let us all welcome our speaker for this afternoon. He is a graduate at FEU College with a Bachelor in Science in Accountancy.
Yes, let us welcome our summa cum laude,
Edwin Rizabal.